A for apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. Yummy. B for ball. You can throw and catch a ball. So much fun. C for cat. Cats are soft and they say meow. D for dog. Dogs are friendly and they love to play. E for elephant. Elephants are big and have long trunks. F for fish. Fish swim in the water. Glub glub. G for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks and they eat leaves from tall trees. H for hat. Hats keep your head warm and stylish. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and comes in many flavors. Delicious. J for jelly. Jelly is wobbly and sweet. Yum. K for kite. Kites fly high in the sky when it's windy. L for lion. Lions are strong and they roar loudly. Roar. M for monkey. Monkeys are playful and they love bananas. N for nest. Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. O for orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. P for parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can talk. Q for queen. Queens wear crowns and rule kingdoms. R for rainbow. Rainbows have beautiful colors and appear after rain. S for Sunday. The sun gives us light and keeps us warm. T for train. Trains travel on tracks and take people to places. U for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry when it rains. V for violin. Violins make beautiful music when played. W for whale. Whales are big and live in the ocean. X for xylophone. Xylophones make music with their colorful bars. Y for yacht. Yachts are fancy boats that sail on the sea. Z for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes.